Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we are in neighborhood reactions. In that neighborhood reactions today, now I am going to explain about the one of the most important reactions, that is in Aldol condensation reactions. This is the most important in any competitive exams like GATE, NET and JAM. Any exams, this is the most important reactions. But I said many times to learn how we are going to learn this neighborhood reactions. I said many times to learn only for three things. If you know that these three things, so we are able to learn in any neighborhood reactions. But the thing is, what are those three things? If you see, substrate, condition and products, right? So what is a substrate we are using? Any neighborhood reactions you take, what is the substrate we are using, and conditions, whether it is acid, whether it is base, whether it is photochemical, whether it is thermal, whatever it may be, which conditions they are using, as well as product, which product we will get. So these three things we should know that, so we are able to learn in any neighborhood reactions if easily. So here you can see Aldol condensations reactions. Actually, what is Aldol condensations reactions? So condensation of carbonyl compounds to give alpha beta unsaturated compound in the presence of acid or base. So here we are using acid, either base, then we can get alpha beta unsaturated compound. This reaction is called aldol condensations reactions. What we are using substrate here? Carbonyl compounds. If you see here, substrate we are using, substrate is carbonyl compound. And if we see conditions either basic or acidic conditions. Two conditions we are using. I think all of you know that basic in the sense sodium hydroxide or NaOMe, and KOH, potassium hydroxide, as well as LDA, lithium diisopropyl alcohol. These are all comes under in a basic conditions, right? So product, what is the product we will get here? Alpha beta unsaturated compound. So this product will get. So here in these reactions we are using carbonyl compounds, and as well as either acidic or basic, then we can get alpha beta unsaturated compound, right? So when we are going to use this carbonyl compounds in the presence of acid or base, then we can get first beta hydroxy compound, then we can call it as aldol reactions. After that we are remove the water molecules to them, then we can get the alpha beta unsaturated compound. I think you confused, right? So if you see the reaction mechanism, so that you are able to understand what is that exactly happening in this reactions and neighborhood reactions. So if you see here, so one more most important in this aldol condensations, carbonyl compounds containing, it is must and should alpha hydrogens. So carbonyl compounds containing must and should alpha hydrogens. Without alpha hydrogens, reactions with does not takes place. So if you see the reaction mechanism, so that you can understand easily what is happening in this reaction. So I am going to explain the reaction mechanism. See here, reaction mechanism. Okay, in this reaction mechanism, if you see, I will write in this marker. So here I am going to take initially one alpha hydrogen containing compound, and as well as same compound CH3. So first of all I am going to give the reactions in a basic conditions. So in that basic conditions, if you see any sodium base content, if you are using here any sodium content, based content, so we will get thermodynamic product. Thermodynamic in the sense it is a more substituted side will get the product. So if you are using any lithium content, LDA, like lithium based content, so we will get kinetic product. Kinetic is in the sense less substituted side we will get the product. So sodium base content, right? Sodium is nothing but it is a base, it will take the proton here. It is a more substituted side, this is a less substituted side, so you will get thermodynamic product. So it will take the proton. Here we have a hydrogen, right? See careful, this negative charge, it will take the proton from here. So you will get here negative charge, right? This negative charge is attack on this, migrated this side, and this bond is migrated towards the oxygen. So you will get double bond here, O minus, right? So it is again going to treated with one more carbonyl compound, right? This is a carbonyl compound. So see carefully, this bond is migrated here, this bond is migrated here, you will get negative charge, am I right? In this negative charge, it is going in this nucleophile is going to attack on this electrophilic center, and this bond is migrated towards the oxygen. See carefully, I will write first this product here, CH3, here O minus, it is going to attack on this place, right? So here CH3, here double bond O, this is a CH3, am I right? If you see, finally it is going to treated with hydrolysis. Hydrolysis in the sense workup in the sense it will give the protons where it is required. Here negative charge, right? So it is going to take the proton here. Finally you will get the product OH, CH3, CH3, C double bond O, CH3, right? So if you see this one, alpha, beta. So beta hydroxy carbonyl compound. So this reaction, beta hydroxy carbonyl compound, we can call it as aldol reactions. So this is for what? Aldol reactions. But what is the condensations? Condensation is nothing but if you remove the water molecules to them, then obviously we can call it as condensations reaction. So if you see here, we have a one hydrogen, right? So this hydrogen is migrated here, and then OH will leave. If you see this water molecule remove, then you can get finally you will write this product. So you see here alpha beta unsaturated compound. This named reaction is called alpha beta unsaturated compound. So this reaction is called aldol condensations reactions. So this is for what? Basic, and as well as we can say for acidic, right? Acidic also reactions will happen. So if you see that acidic, how it is going to happen in acidic condition, this is the basic conditions, right? So if you are going to use acid, so we'll get alpha beta unsaturated compound or not, we'll see that, that is example as well. So you can see here in this reaction, so I will take CH3 again acidic in the sense it will give the protons, basic in the sense take the protons. So here you can see oxygen containing a lone pair of electrons, right? This lone pair of electrons is take the proton from here in acidic conditions, then you can get CH2H, I will write like that. And see, oxygen containing a positive charge is highly unstable. So if it is a highly unstable, right? So see here, it is highly unstable. So this hydrogen is migrated towards this one, and this bond is migrated towards the oxygen. So you will get, see careful. So here you will get double bond, right? So again, it is going to treated with one more carbonyl compound. See here, oxygen containing a lone pair of electrons, right? This lone pair of electrons is migrated towards this one, and this bond is migrated here. Here you will get negative charge. This negative charge is going to attack on this electrophilic center, and this bond is migrated towards the oxygen. Then you can get. So I will write here O minus, here one CH3, it is going to attack on CH2. After that, here you will get double bond and CH3, right? You will get this compound. After that, it is going to give the workup. So this nucleophile is take the protons from here, then you can get C double bond O, CH3, here OH, here CH3, right? So here you can see alpha, beta. So beta hydroxy compound, beta hydroxy compound. So this beta hydroxy compound is called Aldol reaction. Aldol reaction. If they are going to ask write the Aldol reaction, so this product is enough, Aldol reactions. But they are going to ask Aldol condensations reactions. Aldol condensations is nothing but we are going to remove the water molecules to this beta hydroxy compound. Then you can get alpha beta unsaturated compound. Am I right? So here you can see, here we have a hydrogen, right? This hydrogen is migrated here and this OH will leave. So you will get alpha beta unsaturated compound. So here C double bond O, CH3. This is for what? Alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, because alpha beta. Am I right? So this is for what? Aldol reactions as well as aldol condensations reactions. Very simple reaction. Aldol reactions is nothing but you will get whenever two carbonyl compounds is going to treated with either acid or base, then we can get beta hydroxy compound, then we can call it as aldol reactions. When we are going to remove the water molecules to them, which is beta hydroxy carbonyl compound, so you will get alpha beta unsaturated compound. This reaction is called Aldol reactions. We'll get the product is alpha beta unsaturated compound. I hope you understand this reactions mechanism, right? So thanks for watching this video, everyone. Thank you so much.